Are you ready to make my favorite food, spinach paneer?
Hi, this is Mother Zen Chef, and I'm cooking one of my family's favorite food. It's spinach paneer, but it's not like traditional. It's just that we love Indian food, we love Indian spices, but this is my own version, and it's very flexible. Sometimes I don't even saute any onion. I just throw some onion powder in there, and it tastes great. So it's something that you can improvise, and you can watch what I'm going to be doing. Very simple. You can throw this dish together in less than 10-15 minutes.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell.
I'm going to throw a couple of tablespoons of olive oil here. And now I'm going to saute 2 cups of onion. I let my onions saute about, maybe 2.5 minutes. And now I'm going to throw all my spices in there. And I have about a teaspoon of garam masala, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of curry. And I like to saute them in this oil. And if you're here, you will smell it. They smell really, really wonderful. And now I'm ready for putting a little bit half and half. If I had coconut cream, I'd probably use that. So I have 5 cups of frozen spinach. I'm going to throw it in. And I might need a little bit more liquid, but I'll see. This is, like I said, this is not a set recipe. That's every time I make it, it's slightly different. Yeah. I think I need a little bit more. I think I need a little bit more half and half, just so it'll get nice and creamy or saucy. Yeah, I'm going to add another half a cup of almond milk just so I have a little bit more sauce. And right away, after I add that, you can tell it's already a little bit more saucy. And that's the way I wanted it. I don't want it to be too much. And I'm going to put in about half a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to put in about, just about a little bit shy of a tablespoon of bragg. I use amino. And again, you taste it and see whether this is the right amount of salt. But I'm being conservative here, not want to make it too salty. And now I'm going to throw in the paneer, which is milk with vinegar, and strain it to become these little cubes. And that's it. I'm ready to turn up the flame, so it will be cooked in about 2 more minutes. When the paneer gets hot, that's done. The paneer, you can get it in a store, any store, a health food store, Whole Foods Market. I have a lovely Bangladesh grocery store here. And when I don't have paneer, I use feta cheese, and it works. Except you can't cook the feta cheese because it just turned very watery. So you put it in at the last minute, just before you're going to serve. You crumble some feta cheese. And it's delicious. And the other version is I put in some, open a can of chickpeas and strain it in there. And that one makes it absolutely delicious. Chickpeas, spinach, and the paneer or the feta cheese. So this dish is the simplest dish I can cook, and get a lot of greens. I don't like the one that you get in the restaurant where it's really, really dark. That's when they've been cooking it for a long time. If you see that, mine is completely green. All right, so that's very fresh. And I like it that way because it's not like all the vitamin C get cooked away, or the vitamins get cooked away and they turn black. That's what you would get in the restaurant. But at home, you can keep it nice and fresh green like this.
So we're going to pair it with this beautiful palak paneer. my mom's version. It's always different, like she was saying. You can also make this vegan. You can just do it with almond milk. Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, most of the time I do it with almond milk.
Yeah. This just by itself is an incredible dinner.